The MTG console is great, but with hundreds of items available, remembering every command can be a hassle. So I made this graphical control panel for ETG. Browse through the items list. Or narrow it down by category. Reveal unexplored rooms. And spawn the pickups you need. You can also use the pickups here. Created different types of chests. You can also generate both types of Muncher. Enable item info, then walk up to an item to view its details. Hide any sections you don't want to see. Disable the ammo book animation. Switch characters for both player 1 and player 2. Press C to rewind the current room. No need to manually spawn the same items before every run. Save your favorite combinations as presets. The default preset is blank and will not grant any items. Create or select presets. Start a run, and the selected presets will be granted. Let the random option choose a different one each run. You may have noticed the random category here. It allows you to add multiple items and only select one from them. For example, many items have synergies with Casey. Instead of adding all of them, you can create a pool and receive one random item each run. GitHub release link in the video description. English release notes are provided below. Scroll down to the access sections. Download the latest version. Extract the download file. Copy all these files into your Enter the Gungeon game folder.